RoxWIKI.com, best product advisor behind Amazon. RoxWIKI.com presents 10 best 3D pen. Let's see which 3D pen is best for you to buy. Starting with the list. Number 1. Pen name: 3D pen, intelligent 3D drawing art craft Doodler pen. Pen information: handheld 4th Gen 3D pen. This 3D drawing pen enables your kids draw down all their wonderful and imaginative ideas. Your children can also have fun when creating three-dimensional objects. Support power bank: comes with USB cable. Just charge 3D printing pen by power bank when playing outside. Pretty convenient. List. Number 2. Pen name: Kamo 3D stereo drawing pen. Pen information: 3D printing pen are the latest development in 3D printing technology. This technology FDM-fused deposition modeling is adapted by leading 3D printers like Makerbot, 3D System, and Afinia. 3D pen is a great tool for anyone interested in 3D modeling, from the newest beginner to the most seasoned expert. The only limitation of 3D drawing is your imagination. The 3D printing pen package includes as follow. List. Number 3. Pen name: Miro 3D pen, DIY 3D printer pen, drawing pens, 3D printing. Pen information: suitable for both kids and adults. Miro 3D printing pen is an amazing gift for kids over 6 years old and is also a great tool for anyone interested in 3D modeling. This pen replaces ink with plastic, which melted at a high temperature to create a 3D object instead of just an idea on paper. List. Number 4. Pen name: 3D drawing pen, safe for kids and adults. Pen information: easiest 3D printer pen, one button controls everything. Ergonomically designed 3D drawing pen is easiest to handle, and simplest to operate, making designing brilliant 3D art child's play. Simply pick it up, click the button. The precision flow nozzle releases filament exactly where you want it. Then click it again to pause. Upgraded 4th Gen technology, on sale now for a limited time. List. Number 5. Pen name: 3D pen kit for kids and adults, Dicalo 5A. Pen information: Amazon exclusive Dicalo 3D pen with a unique exterior design, a cute cat, exquisite gift wrap, the best birthday Christmas gifts for kids. Not available anywhere else in the world. Child-safe 3D pen. It will cut the power off automatically after 10 minutes of no activation during sleep mode. Completely safe for kids. List. Number 6. Pen name: best intelligent 3D printing pen for ABS and PLA. Pen information: fun and creative for kids and grown-ups. Gift for all occasions. Help improve cognitive awareness of spatial objects and encourage their creativeness. Ideally for 8 years and over. Use under close adult supervision. List. Number 7. Pen name: intelligent 3D printing pen for DIY model making Doodle. Pen information: the only child-safe 3D pen, low temperature 3D printing pen designed with aviation ceramics nozzle. The average temperature is about 680 degrees Celsius during use. Completely safe for kids aged 5+. Pen nozzle and pen body can safely be touched with no burn risks. List. Number 8. Pen name: Penobon 3D pen with drawing for children, 3D printing pen with LCD screen. Pen information: Dr.Memory 3D printing pen with LCD screen. Ver. 2017 free spatula included by authentic Dr.Memory, a brand 3D pen with confidence in Dr.Memory shop. You are entitled to 12-month premium quality guarantee. Fraud pens from other sellers are not entitled to guarantee. List. Number 9. Pen name: 3D printing pen for doodling, Doodler, 3D drawing model making doodle arts. Pen information: the new 6th generation 3D pen, 3D printing pen for doodling, Doodler, 3D drawing model making doodle arts and crafts, 3D printer pen. Best for Doodler and kids' Christmas birthday DIY gift. Red Color Uno's 3D pen is a tool for the creative minds of our generation. List number 10. Pen name: Professional 3D, 2nd generation designing pen with free PLA. Pen information: Bixi 3D pen is high quality product with never clogging with smooth design built-up technology. Spinning speed: adjustable, print range, unlimited. Thank you for watching our video about 10 best 3D pen. To get those 3D pen, follow the description link below and subscribe to our channel for future upload.